Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome to your journey into yoga. Today, I'm here to guide you through a relaxing and flexible yoga session designed especially for beginners. Yoga is a wonderful practice to help you unwind, stretch, and find a moment of peace in your day. Whether you're new to yoga or just looking for a gentle practice, this session is perfect for all fitness levels. Let's start with a gentle warm-up. Find a comfortable spot on your mat and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Begin by gently stretching your arms overhead and reaching for the sky. Feel the tension melt away as you bring your hands down to your heart center. Now let's roll our shoulders back a few times, releasing any tightness. Deep breathing is key here. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. All right, let's move into our first pose, the cat-cow. Get on your hands and knees, and as you inhale, arch your back and look up, creating a gentle stretch along your spine. As you exhale, round your back and tuck your chin to your chest. Move with your breath, flowing between cat and cow poses. Next up, let's transition into downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips high, and press your chest towards your thighs. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and the lengthening of your spine. Take a few breaths here, letting go of any tension. Now step 1 foot forward and come into warrior pose. Ground through your feet, bend your front knee, and reach your arms up towards the sky. Feel the strength and stability in this pose. Switch sides and repeat. To finish our session, let's come down to child's pose. Kneel on your mat, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms out in front of you, lowering your forehead to the mat. Breathe deeply and relax into this soothing pose. As we cool down, lie back on your mat and find Savasana or corpse pose. Let your arms and legs relax completely and close your eyes. Focus on your breath and let your body sink into the mat. This pose is all about letting go and absorbing the benefits of your practice. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today and nurturing your body and mind with this practice. Remember, consistency is key. Practicing yoga regularly will help you improve your flexibility, relaxation, and overall well-being. Thank you for joining me today. Stay connected with your breath, stay positive, and keep practicing. Namaste.